Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to sign up for Coin98. To sign up for Coin98, first of all go ahead and open up a web browser and then make sure that you are inside the Coin98 website. Type in coin98.com and search, which will then take you to your coin98.com official website. If you don't have one yet, you must first download the Coin98 application by using the download link provided in the homepage. Once you go ahead and download the extension or the wallet, you will need to click it open. Now that you are inside the Coin98 wallet's homepage, click on Get Started. Set up a password for your wallet. You can use text password or matrix password. I'm just gonna go for a text password for now. After you choose one of the options, click on OK. Now input your password that you'd like to set for your wallet in the first text box. Your password must be at least 8 characters, with 1 character, 1 digit and 1 symbol. After you type in your password, re-enter the password on the next field to confirm. After you are done, click on Set Up Password and you have now successfully set your password. Click on OK and choose the type of wallet you'd like to get started with. After choosing one of the wallet, click on Continue and follow through the instructions. Since I've chosen Hot Wallet, it is showing me this kind of an option. Choose a multi-chain wallet and then click on the Create button at the bottom. Enter your wallet's name and click Next. On the next page, it will show you a recovery phrase for your wallet. Write down the recovery phrases on a piece of paper or paste it in a secure location. After you are done, you will need to re-enter the seed phrases in the correct order on the next field and click on all of these boxes at the bottom. But make sure you go through these information before you continue creating a wallet. Remember that your wallet seed phrases should not be shared with anyone, since if anyone knows your seed phrase or private key, they will have access to use your wallet. Don't share your seed phrases or private key with anyone just to secure your account and click on Create Wallet. After you've successfully created your wallet, click on this Open My Wallet button and there you have successfully created a new wallet or signed up for Coin98. That is how it's easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.